Most people who are charged with a crime and hauled into court usually say, "I didn't do it." Often, it turns out they did. But in the story we're about to tell you, we'd like you to be the judge. This man is accused of sexual abuse, although he can't control his arms, his legs, or his hands. He has cerebral palsy because his brain was damaged during his delivery at birth. An aide and his father help him with just about everything.
He cannot do anything by himself. Absolutely anything. Even to eat.
The thinking part of his brain works. Hippocrate Mertsaris, despite it all, managed to graduate from college and earn a law degree. He literally uses his head to manipulate a computer to write. An aide works with him.
Okay, now.
As you can see, his arms and hands tend to flail around, and that's where the trouble started.
When people get around him, too close, he gets nervous and he gets scared. Yeah.
And so what happens? Your arms reach out? Amazingly, Chicho works. He's a lawyer here at the Taxi and Limousine Commission, where they handle cases against taxi drivers. Last October, in the Queen's office, a TLC judge accused Chicho of grabbing her thigh and buttocks while they were in the office alone. His aide had gone to file papers.
His arm moved and hit her.
His arm moved and he hit her?
Yeah.
Did you intend to hit her?
No way.
But apparently one of his flailing arms did touch her.
He says when he hit her, his hand hit her on the back while she was running, she screamed, "Help, help, help." A guy in the wheelchair cannot follow nobody, cannot catch nobody, and she ran out of the room.
The woman went to the police precinct and filed a report. Chicho was charged with sexual abuse and brought in and fingerprinted.
They consider him like a criminal.
They consider him like a criminal?
Yeah.
That's right. The Queen's district attorney is prosecuting Chicho, even though his lawyer has repeatedly asked the DA to drop the case.
This is one of the most stunning displays of a lack of compassion, a lack of human kindness, a lack of judgment.
He wants everybody to know that he's not a criminal.
A spokesman for the DA's office told me the prosecutor believes Chicho uses his hands. So we met Chicho outside of his office to check. Could you grab me? So you hit me, but with a closed fist. You did hit me. But you can't grab me. And in memos presented to the DA, both his doctor and physical therapist said his muscles are very tight, mostly beyond his control. And can you grab me with the other hand? Despite repeated phone calls. You won't talk to us at all? Chicho's accuser wouldn't talk to me. Now, there is one thing. Chicho admits he sent her this series of emails 2 years ago. We read the emails, and there's nothing sexual in nature, just chatty. Yet she asked his boss to make him stop, and Chicho says he did. You think you just got on her nerves, period?
Yeah.
Chicho is going on trial. There's actually a date set for June. A spokesman for the Queen's District Attorney told me the case is being taken seriously because it involves a charge of sexual abuse. And that's why we didn't mention the alleged victim's name. Barbara Nevins-Taylor, Fox 5 News.
Stay connected with myfoxny.com mobile. Download the iPhone app or text Fox 5 to 46988 for other devices. Local news, weather, and traffic on the go with myfoxny.com mobile.